Kunkune. Arduino shields electronic modules servo motors. Buy Arduino Uno kits and boards online at an exclusive price. Servo motor is a small device that has an output shaft. You can connect small servo motors directly to an Arduino to control the shaft position very precisely. Shaft can be positioned to specific angular positions by sending the servo-coded signal. L9110SH Bridge Dual DC Stepper Motor Controller Board. L298N Dual H Bridge Stepper Motor Driver Board. MG90 Micro Servo Motor Metal Gear. Mini L293D Motor Driver Shield Expansion Board. Servo Motor Metal Gears MG995 High Speed. Servo motors are used to control the position of objects, rotate objects, move legs, arms, or hands of robots, move sensors. For more details, visit our website.